Hello guys, and today I am going to be showing you how to hack Subway Surfers. So first, you're going to need to download Subway Surfers. Now, I'm just going to skip this so, you don't have to watch me download it. So I'll be back shortly. It's been about 1 minute or two, and Subway Surfers have finally opened. So, now we're going to need to install a hacking app by going into the web browser and typing in Lucky Patcher .net. This is the website you'll have to get to download it. And just need to wait for it to load. And it will come up with here. So it will come up with Lucky Patcher 6.4.4 for Android download. Click on that and it will load. Now you're going to need to download Lucky Patcher. So how you do that, you just click download.
Well, yeah, it's not as bad as Ashford actually, but
now, as you can see, Lucky Patcher should be downloaded. Downloading. See, Lucky Patcher is now downloaded. We're going to click on that, and it will say, do you want to... Well, I have already turned it off, but for you, it will say, unknown app. So you're just going to have to go turn that off, then it will come back here, and you can click install, to install Lucky Patcher. And now Lucky Patcher is installing. I'll get back when Lucky Patcher has installed. Lucky Patcher has finally installed, so we're going to go ahead and click open. Now, it will load some packages, you just have to wait for them to load. I could skip this, but it will be done in a second anyway. And done. Great. Now, we're going to click on Subway Surfers and type in Open Menu of Patches. Tap Create Modified APK file and do APK rebuild for in-app and LVL emulation. Click Rebuild the app, and it will download the hacked version of Lucky Patcher. It's been about 2 to 3 minutes and it is finally loaded. So when it finishes, it will say N12 success, N2 success, N3 and N4 has failed. Don't worry about N4, but just go to file. Then it will come up with the file for your hacked version of Subway Surfers. Subway Surfers. Click uninstall and install to uninstall your version and install the new hacked version. Click new and install, then it will download the new hacked version of Subway Surfers. The hacked version of Subway Surfers is finally installed. We're going to click open, and I will show you proof that this hack is that this hack is real. This is a real hack, and I have proof. After it loads. Oh wait, I can skip. The loaded version of Subway Surfers hacked is finally loaded, so we just need to complete the tutorial and I'll show you proof that this hack is legible and working. Kapow! Oh look, I accidentally died. Not. Now, here is proof that this hack works. So, we're going to go into the shop, go into the store, and 3, 2, 1. In-app purchase hack. Do you want to get this? Try to get this item for free. Click yes, and boom, 1,200,000 coins right there. Again, and I just need to position it. And let's go. Look at those coins. Coins are going up and up and up. These coins are going. Look how many coins I have. I already have more than 12 billion coins. Right, now we need some keys. Oh look, there's an auto-repeat purchases with the same current settings. Do that, and it will repeat it. Now you've got lots of keys and crates. And I can show you that these actually work. I'm going to buy, let's say Prince K. I'm going to buy the Shine outfit. See? I'm going to get boards. And what board do I want? Well, this is limited, so I'll buy this and this. And I can also buy this and this and this and this and this and this. Well, here's proof that this hack is real, and you can buy anything you want with your coins, which is pretty sick, I must say. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and well, any further ado, see you in the next video. Bye.